Hey everybody, happy Monday, happy Monday, happy Monday. What a crazy and chaotic day. I hope that your week is going fabulous. Mine had a little bit of a rough start and I ran behind today. I do apologize. We had a gate that has horses on the property who are running free because we've had a lot of rain. And we couldn't leave the gate open because then the horses would get out on the highway and it was a big thing. So we finally got the gate to work and here I am. Oh, 30 minutes later. So that's just how Mondays work, right? So in case you guys don't know, my name is Shannon Miller, and I am a cleaning business owner here in the great state of Arizona, and it's called themaidbroker.com. I am also CEO and cleaning business strategist for Clean Freaks University, where I teach other cleaning business entrepreneurs how to build up the back end of their business and not be run over by the back end of their business. So if you have any comments, you can go ahead and leave them below. And today we are going to talk about asking for your clients for reviews. You got to shake up the algorithm, and if you ask, you shall receive. Now, sometimes it might take a couple tries to get your clients to actually walk on over to their phone and remember to give you the review. But if you're on it and you have a contest, I usually have a contest one time a year, and I make it all about the employee, not me. I obviously would like to have all 5-star reviews and have them be awesome and easy to access. But that's just not the way it works in the client's mind. So you have to be sure that you are asking for those 5-star reviews, because you don't want to ask just for a review, because that could just lead to all kinds of trouble. You want 5-star reviews. That's what you're asking for. And you got to make it all about the employee, the cleaning tech, the 1099, whatever it is that you have that is working for you to help you run your business right now. And usually in the month of October is also a breast cancer awareness month, but we also have a coinciding contest that runs with that for building up our review stats, and which helps push the algorithm over so that we can get more reviews in the SEO, and then by default we get more clients. That's how it works, right? So you want to leave a big 11 by 17. Let me see if I can get in here on my phone. And I'm hoping you guys can hear me because it's loud. I got traffic here on the street. So yes, you want to leave the biggest postcard you can get off Vistaprint, and on the front it says "We love 5 stars," and on the back you're going to give them directions on where to go to leave those 5 stars, and then that person will be put in an actual contest, and then I actually do the drawing on the Facebook page, and I make it a bigger deal. And typically the employee will get I won the most recognition, and I make that a big deal too, and I give them cake, and it just makes it a lot more fun. So that's how I am getting a lot more of my 5-star reviews. I'm not really interested in the 1-star reviews or even 4-star reviews. 5-star reviews are where you need to go. That's how you get the highest algorithm. So having a postcard, leaving it at the client's house, checking in is also important, and then getting that 5-star review. Sometimes you can get the permission from the client, and like with us, we use Jobber, and they can leave testimonials there, and we'll screenshot it and put it on Facebook. That also counts. I make a big poster board, and I put everyone's name on how many 5-star reviews they've gotten for the month, because it's a contest. And like I said, I gave out a big prize. I think last year we gave out a flat screen TV, which was really cool, and they were super excited. So they got cash. One person got cash, another person got a flat screen TV, and I think the other person got like a gift card. So I snapped their photo, put it all on Facebook, and made a big deal out of it. The year before, I think I actually gave out dinner for 2, so they could have a date night, and dinner for 2 at Red Lobster. I think it was $125, and then I gave them a movie thing before COVID. And what was the other thing I gave out? I think I gave out 2 date nights. So it was dinner and a movie, and they got to have a really good time, and they snapped selfies, and I put it on the Facebook page. So that was fun. So asking for 5-star reviews, and if you don't want to do it that I would do it the other way as well, and you can do, there is an app called SoTellus, SOTELLUS, and it's about $100 a month, and what it is it provides you with the link to send to your client, and your client just has to click on the link, and they gather that information, and then spit it right back out to you, so you can do whatever you want with it, right? So that's good, you're catching the good review, and if it's bad, you're catching it before they actually post it anywhere. So that always makes it a nice customer service era. Again, I know you guys heard me on my soapbox all summer long, but if you are doing a one-time cleaning for anybody new or even anybody regular, make sure that you are getting a 50% deposit on day of booking. Tell them that secures their spot on the schedule. If they don't want to give you a deposit, that is a red flag. I think so far this summer, I have run into about 40 different cleaning companies who have all been stiffed by a client who just didn't feel like paying after they cleaned. And that's not how business works. We just don't go to the grocery store and go, I want all those steaks, and walk out with them. You have to pay. So that's super duper important. Hey, Chris, how are you? I hope things are well. So that's important. You want to make sure that you're managing your reviews, and that if you're doing one-time cleanings, that you are getting a 50% deposit. And if I have an old contract, if you need it, I'll be more than happy to give it to you. It has some key points on it, like the cancellation policy, making sure there's water and electricity that has to be on and in working order when you arrive or your cleaning crew arrives. What are the other biggies? Booking fees, being prepared for the cleaning. I can't tell you how many times we've walked in and the homeowner's behind. They haven't even packed. They haven't pulled out any of the dishes. And you're just like, so you never know what you're going to get as the final product. So if any of you guys need that, go ahead and hit me up. I have an old contract I can give you. My new contract is much more new and improved. I'm not giving that one away. And I have openings this week if you are interested in a free 30-minute consult to see if I am your person and I'm a good fit to help your business grow. That's awesome too. And if I'm not, I totally get it, because I appreciate you guys showing up here and watching all my crazy videos. Well, that's all I have to say today, and I hope that you guys have a great week, and I look forward to any more questions or comments. Take care.